Boys, my pulley is squeaking like crazy. I'm taking it up to my boy's shop to get the exhaust leaks fixed again because I keep hitting these speed bumps. I got a few things I want to do to this car, maybe even stop at a tire shop today because my tires are getting really worn down. I think something's wrong with my ball joints. I ordered the Steeda ×2 ball joints last night and Maximum Motorsports bump steer kit. I don't know if you can hear that, but that pulley, every time I drive, sounds like I'm driving a freaking beater. It's driving me crazy. I need to get that fixed immediately. I don't know if you can like grease it up or something like that, but let's see what we can do today. Just a few maintenance things today. Maybe even stop at a tire shop. Maybe throw some new tires on the front of this car. It really needs them. See what's open. It's Sunday, so I don't really think a lot of businesses are open like that. Jesus Christ, you can hear that. Pulley just sounds like it's getting worse and worse. I'm not sure. These roads probably don't help with my tires because they're pretty much destroyed. But yeah guys, I'm going to my friend's shop. He's got a little lift in there. He's gonna take a look underneath the car, get my exhaust fixed maybe, and I'll see if he can take a look at this pulley that's squeaking. It'd be nice to grease that up and throw it back on. I don't really know if you can grease these pulleys up or not, but we shall see. See if I can stop by our tire shop today too, because these tires will not last long driving on a road like this. So yeah boys, I'll pick it up when we get there.
Obviously not made to have a lift in here. When I built it in the deck chair at the right. I don't hear it either. Sounds pretty good, actually.
Yeah, it sounds pretty solid right now.
Do you notice, does it happen more when you just start it up, or does it come randomly whenever? Normally you would hear that little ticking. It would be.
It sounds really good right now.
Yeah.
It's just the clutch I'm hearing.
Well, I was just gonna say, it almost sounds a little bit like throwout bearing is making a little noise. Could be. There's the throwout bearing right there. And you can't really see it.
Yeah.
This is gonna be really hot.
Okay, yeah, it doesn't even look like it's leaking at all.
Yeah. And again, when it gets hot, that will seal up. That's why I asked if you notice it more when you first start it up.
Cold, yeah.
A lot of your exhaust leaks happen, then everything expands.
Yeah. Yep.
So
maybe it's just that trans noise I'm hearing.
yeah.
Maybe it just sounds louder when it's bouncing off the ground.
Yep.
Might just be that trans noise I'm hearing.
Do you notice any difference when you push your foot in on the clutch?
No, it sounds about the same.
up and expands, but yeah, look, they're all leaking.
Leaking pretty good.
Yeah.
Wow.
Ruined the paint job.
Oh, it's
I
nice.
mean, it's got the original paint, sort of like your car. I mean, but it's very dirty now. I'm gonna drive.
Oh yeah, it's supposed to be really nice this week.
Yeah, I'm gonna drive it. I love driving, man. It is cool.
Oh wow, it's got this roll cage in there, awesome seats. I mean, that is a short shifter too.
What is it?
MGW? Yeah, that is sick. Oh man, that thing is full race car. Got the little bar here.
I haven't opened the trunk in so long. Look how dirty it is. Oh,
Wow.
He sees how dirty it is.
Whoa, it's got some big pedals. Wow, man.
Gosh, look how dirty it is.
I like all the
I want to take some
gauges.
pictures for him. You should put it on your channel and say, look how dirty this thing is.
The bumper exhaust thing. Wow. Oh man. Oh man. That is badass, man. I like that a lot. Very race car like.
And that, like I said, that's what we were trying to go. Yeah, that's all dirt, dude. This thing used to be shot. I mean, all in here. Look, it's all rusty. He had this thing so clean.
Take a nice day on this week and clean it up for him.
I want to clean it for him, right?
Yeah.
Let me see if she starts up.
Started right up. Sounds good though. Sounds solid. It didn't take that many turns either. It started right up.
We got a battery disconnect switch on it. We
Okay.
learned our lesson. But
Yeah.
they will drain because of radio and other things.
Right, right.
So for racing, you need a battery just because the battery's in the back. So we clicked off the battery, so you save the batteries.
It's pretty clean back there. Wow.
Look how dirty that is, though.
That's right to the fuel tank, isn't it?
Yep, that gets your fuel hat right there. That's dual fuel pumps staged.
Wow. I like this a lot. This is probably really, really fast, feels like, huh? What is this for?
That's the battery disconnect. So there's the
okay.
battery. It has a disconnect switch.
Yeah,
These tires, they blow off like crazy. Yeah, it's got a watt box.
Watt box?
Yeah, you know, lift shifts it, yeah.
That's fast.
Yeah, once you go to second and third,
That's badass, man. Alrighty, boys. I'm pulling out from my friend's shop. My buddy Ron. He helped me out with some things. Found a couple exhaust leaks. I'm just gonna have to end up getting my mufflers replaced because my mufflers are toasted. If you can see, my mufflers are just completely bent up and they're leaking all around the mufflers and whatnot. So I'm just gonna get them replaced like I planned on doing. And yeah, a couple more things. He's an awesome guy. Helped me out. I had a fuel line leak back there, as you guys could see in the video. He helped me out pretty good with that. It's like an O-ring in the fuel line where you can just shift it a little bit around and it stopped leaking. So hopefully it stays like that. Really awesome guy. His son's got a really sick car too. As you can see, that thing was something else, guys. He said it was 600 horsepower. That is really fast. And a body style like this car, that is really fast. So I got a couple things I got to do to this car. Go down to his friend's shop. His buddy's got a good alignment shop I can take this car to. Alignment done on it, new tires, maybe they'll do my bump steer kit and my new ball joints. It doesn't really need ball joints because we looked at it on the lift and they seemed like they were all right, but I'm gonna do this new ball joints anyway with the bump steer kit just so the suspension's all done up. Stuff like that, you know. So I have a peace of mind about everything. It's like at least what I need to do right now. Suspension work, get the new tires, new alternator, and then I'll get on the mufflers. One of my favorite things about modding a car though is getting it to sound different. That's like one of the best things about modding a car. New mufflers will definitely do that. Got some things coming for it, boys, got some things. Daily driver needs some maintenance though. And as you guys know, I don't make that much money off of YouTube, so right now at least I'm just doing what I can for now to keep this thing in healthy condition on the road. It's really what I want, is just, you know, keep it more healthy than anything. This guy is a local though. He pretty much knows all the guys that I know and you know that have nice cars like me around this local area. He knows a lot of the OG guys too. He told me he knows like John Lund Sr. and all the OG Mustang guys from back in the day, in the early 2000s when these things were really popping off. He knows a lot of those people. He knows the guy that does the AccuFab throttle body and stuff like that, AccuFab things for the intake. Learned a lot from this guy. Really cool. Really cool to know people that, you know, are been around for a long time with these cars. They teach you a lot. I learned a lot today. I think it was a really fun trip, even though we didn't really get to work on my car like that. It's just some things that can't really do right now with this car. He helped me out, you know, finding my leak with my fuel line. Not a lot of people will take time out of their day to help you out. But alright guys, if you like these kind of videos, please tap that like, share, subscribe, comment. Everything's appreciated, boys. And I'll catch you in the next one, boys. Peace out. Thanks for watching. I just want to give a quick shout out to a good friend of mine at Whippled_Mustang. He's got a sick 2-valve. He just got it repainted not too long ago. He's got a supercharger on it. He's got a ton of work done to his car. So if you guys like 2-valve content, please give him a check out for me, guys. I appreciate it, guys. Thanks.